Would you look at this? On the front page of the Star Lifestyle section, Saturday, April 25th, it says, "Nowhere to go. Some international travelers caught by the MCO while on holiday in Malaysia are staying put instead of returning home. Who could it be? Hey yo! Who's famous? We're famous. And the article continues with another nice picture from Batu Caves, looking like some international travelers, and it says, "Stranded but safe." 3-page article. So Ivana, do you feel stranded but safe?
Oh yeah, it's completely safe, so don't you worry, Mom.
Good point, Ivana.
Yeah.
Good job.
So since we are stranded here in Malaysia and it is the Ramadan season here, I'm gonna cook some Ramadan dishes, popular Ramadan dishes from Indonesia.
Very exciting. So here's the ingredients.
So we're gonna make 2 different dishes. The first one is called bubar kacang hijau, which means green beans porridge. We're gonna use mung beans and a slice of ginger and boil it together. And then this one, the second dish, it's called kolak, and we will use some squash or pumpkins, some sweet potato, and some Japanese sweet potatoes, and bananas. And then these 2 dishes have the same liquid base, which is
I can tell you this. Coconut milk, pandan leaves, and brown sugar.
No.
What do you mean no?
So you got this right, the pandan leaf and the coconut milk. But this is not brown sugar.
What is it?
It's red sugar.
Red sugar.
It's different than the brown sugar. Although it looks brown. So it is made from palm sugar, and in Indonesia we call it gula Jawa, and in Malaysia it's called gula Melaka. So that's what we'll use for the liquid.
There you have it. 2 dishes, I forgot the names already, and 1 sauce.
Yes, so it's a sweet dessert. So they usually eat it when they break their fast during the Ramadan season, and eat it as a dessert.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, let's cook.
So first thing first, we're gonna boil the mung beans with a slice of ginger. So I have actually boiled mung beans earlier because it takes a while to cook it. So what you want is to cook the mung beans until it breaks, until the bean breaks. So not too mushy, but soft enough to eat. It looks like this. Okay, so let's set this aside for now, and let's make the liquid base. And what you also want in the liquid base is the fragrance of the pandan leaf. So I'm gonna put 2 leaves and make a knot. This kind of reminds me of when we made nasi lemak. Okay, so just let it simmer, bring it to a boil, and then we'll move on.
The JetLag warriors have been keeping their travel budget in check by cooking their own meals at home. Yo!
So true.
Celebrity status.
But you know what? Indonesian and Malaysian, I think we have similar taste buds because our food is kind of similar. I think they also have these 2 dishes in Malaysia. I'm not sure what they're called. I know they have bubar kacang hijau, the green bean porridge for sure. I don't know if it's the same as the Indonesian version. And I'm not sure if they have the kolak here. Might be a little bit different. Okay, so now after, it's foaming. Alright, after about 10 minutes of shimmering the coconut oil with pandan leaves, we're gonna add some of the palm sugar. Just a little bit though. You know what? India has this also. Remember that when we went to India?
India calls something different though.
Yeah, I can't remember what it's
Oh,
called.
the name of red sugar in India. Let me think of it. I'll find it.
So we're gonna set aside just a little bit of the liquid for the mung beans.
Jaggery.
Oh, jaggery, yes, that's Indian.
Indian brown sugar. I mean Indian red sugar.
Okay, so I've set aside a little bit of the liquid base, and this is for the mung beans later on. And now it's time to add all these ingredients into the liquid base mixture that we have left.
Still wondering what Japanese potato is.
I think it's like sweet potato. I'm not too sure.
This
I don't think
color,
I've had
this
it.
orange and red remind me of Thanksgiving,
You think?
right? Pumpkin, squash,
Yeah,
you know?
Oh yeah, squash.
Kind of Thanksgiving-y.
Okay, so leave it to boil until the potatoes gets a little bit mushy, but not like mushy. I don't know how to explain that, but I'll show it to you later. Okay, I think it is now at the right kind of mushiness. Let me just show you. It looks like this.
Whoa, don't cut your fingers off. Man, Ivana's a natural. That looks scary to me. No? Huge knife right on your hand?
Nah, I'm used to it.
You're a pro.
Okay.
Let me get a smell. Oh, it smells good. It smells like it smells like squash. And I guess the liquid has went from white to brown, no?
Yeah, because of the sugar.
Oh, the jaggery.
So it's all done.
Everything.
Yeah.
That was quick.
Let's set the plate
That was like
and eat.
15 minutes.
It's an easy recipe.
2 things you made.
Yeah.
That quick.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, time to eat.
So you can make this tonight, guys.
Oh, the smell of that one is out of this world. Good, good.
It smells so good.
Smells good. All right, let's eat.
Okay, which one do you want to try first?
I'm trying this one. So this is potato, sweet potato, Japanese potato, whatever that is, and
Squash and
squash.
banana.
Oh, it's good. Oh, it's really good, Ivana. Mmm. It's sweet. The jaggery is nice.
Jaggery.
It's not called jaggery. The red sugar. It's quite nice.
Mmm.
Mmm. The vegetables are still hard. Perfect. Perfect amount of softness. Not overcooked. Tastes like Thanksgiving to me.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
It's true, isn't it?
Thanksgiving. Sweet Thanksgiving soup. That's what I would call it.
Soup.
Sweet Thanksgiving soup. Sweet Thanksgiving stew.
Stew?
Mmm.
Wow.
Nice stew. Too thick to be soup. It's nice.
Kind of. Okay. Okay.
Quite good.
And what I have in front of me is the green beans porridge, mung beans.
Mmm.
So.
Mmm. This is really good. The bananas are nice. Really, I'm not acting. It's good.
So in Indonesia, we usually put bread too and just dip it into the mixture and put some beans on top.
Mmm.
And this is also a common food for breakfast in Indonesia.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Let me try. Would you call this like mung bean bubur?
Mm-hmm.
It's like bubur to me. Mung bean.
Bubur kacang hijau, which literally translates to green bean porridge.
Mmm. Not as good. Still good, but this
Right.
this one's better.
Try it with the bread.
This is like the Western version of pasta and garlic bread.
No,
Okay, here goes.
this is like the Western version of oatmeal.
Oatmeal.
Yeah, not pasta.
It's pretty good too. This is pretty good. This one over here is A+. This one I give A-.
All right.
This one over here,
Oh,
A-.
okay, at least it's not a C or a B.
no.
Still good. Out
Okay.
of 10. Out of 10.
Out of 10,
Let me try that one.
this is a 10 out of 10, Iwan. This is so
This
yummy.
10 out of 10?
Yes, the jaggery is so nice. The sugar in there is nice, and it's just nice vegetables. That one's really good, no?
Mhm.
So this is something you would eat, the first thing you eat breaking your fast during Ramadan.
Or as a dessert.
What a nice experience. Imagining fasting all day, coming together with your family over this stuff. Amazing. What's it called again?
Kolak.
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 Freaking
This one,
nice,
bubur
man.
kacang hijau.
Mm.
So this is also a common breakfast in Indonesia. It is like our oatmeal, really. If in Canada we eat oatmeal, in Indonesia we eat bubur kacang hijau or the green bean porridge.
This one's good. Like this one, gulak. Gujak.
Gujak?
What's it called?
Kolak.
Golak. Totally wrong. Okay. Golak.
Kolak.
Kolak.
K-O-L-A-K.
K-O-L-A-K. Kolak. Okay. This one is amazing. The banana is nice and sweet. The vegetables are cooked perfectly. They're not overcooked, which is amazing. They're just still kind of hard, but just the right amount of mushiness. A+ on the mushiness factor. Wow.
You're finishing the whole bowl.
Kojak.
No.
Kolak.
Yeah.
Kolak. Yay! Kolak, man. 5 stars. Do you want some? It's already finished.
One piece left. Oh no, a Japanese potato and a sweet potato. You can have the sweet potato.
Oh, the sweet potato is the best part. Sweet potato is really good, and the banana is really good too.
Oh, I wanted to cheer you.
I'm too hungry. I think if you're fasting all day, you're coming together. You probably don't eat like a maniac like me. You probably eat with respect. It should be being more calm. You know? I'm sure you don't come together at the end of this religious thing and just eat like a dog. But I'm still hungry. And it's the first time I ever had it, and it's really, really good. The red sugar in there is not overpowering. It's not super sweet, but it's just nice. Sweet and it feels nutritious. It feels like Thanksgiving.
Yeah, you're right. It's like Thanksgiving.
Squash, sweet potato, Japanese potato. I'm not sure what that is still. Good food, man. One of my favorites you've made so far in our cooking series.
Wow.
Seriously, this one is nice. Well, first time I've ever had it too, which is nice. Nice experience. Eat something for the first time. I'm just imagining Ramadan, you know, just taking the whole day fasting, coming together with your family, eating some nice food. That would be a nice experience.
Yeah. So I'm wondering, what is it called in Malaysia if there is a similar dish like this?
Good question.
Yeah.
Good question. I'm sure.
Because this is an Indonesian recipe that my dad gave to me.
Oh, your dad gave it?
Yeah.
Well, thanks. Awesome. So there you have it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Kolak. Kolak. Absolutely 5 stars. That is a must eat. I'm surprised they don't sell it around. I've never seen it. Have we seen it?
In Indonesia, yeah, during Ramadan.
Indonesia during Ramadan. Really good food. Is there any more?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have some more.
I made a whole pot.
Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. You'll see us in the next video. We'll be making cooking vlogs for quite a while until the MCO is over, and then we'll be back to doing travel vlogs. But we'll keep doing cooking vlogs after we start traveling because they're pretty fun. I mean, who doesn't want to eat food like this? Absolutely great. Kodak.
Kolak.
It's not a D, it's an L. Kolak. Kolak. And green bean soup. Green bean porridge.
Porridge.
Okay, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Below us, our most recent upload, and on the left, some of our other videos. Please subscribe. Stay tuned. Follow along with our adventurous journey throughout the world, Southeast Asia and beyond.
And happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan, everybody. Bye-bye.